Hello everybody, and this is Fahad Ali, and this video is about the order by keyword. How can we assign the values by ascending order or the descending order? And it is the fifth the video of our SQL tutorial series. So alright, so let me just show you the code directly. Okay, in the recent videos we have learned about how to select the columns. In the first video we have learned about how to select the column, then how to select the distinct column, and how can we use the where clause and conditions, then the and, or, and not operators. Okay, in this video we're gonna learn about how can we use the order by keyword. Okay, so what is the order by keyword is doing, or what is its function? It only put the things, or put the values in the ascending order on the descending order, depends upon whether we want the column with the ascending or the descending order. So let me just write the code for it. Okay, what do I want here? I just now for instance I want to select a country, population, country. Now you need to use here order by keyword if you want to extract the values or assign the values by ascending or the descending order. Okay, now you have to write the column, and on that the basis of that column it will assign the values. So I just want to write the population. Okay, population for now. So alright. Okay, now you can see here it is giving me the country's name. Okay, it is giving me the country depending on their the population, and it is in the ascending order. Okay, AC. Now you can see it is by default in ascending order. Okay, you can mention whether it could be ascending or the descending, but if you don't mention anything, it will by default give you the values by the ascending order. Okay, so these are the countries depending on their population, and it is giving me the values or the countries according to their population, from the lowest value to the highest value, or we can call it in ascending order. But what if I want the values or the countries in the descending order? So you have to write DESC for it, for the descending. Then it will arrange you the countries with the in the descending order, and it will give you the highest value in first and the least value in last. Okay, so we are having the country with the the highest population first. So this is how it works. This is the order by keyword work. Okay, what if I want to use the multiple columns in ascending or descending order? So this is how it will work. So first of all, want to continent. Okay, by descending order. Alright, let's just go for it first. Continent. Okay, now okay, it will show me the countries, okay, by the order of the continent. Okay, the descending order. The descending order in the alphabet is start from the Z to A, and ascending start from the A to Z. So this is how it works. Descending. Now if I just want the ascending here, AC. Okay, it will show you the countries on the basis of continent in ascending order. Okay, but okay, now what you want here, that now I want to put another the column here, the population. Okay, what do we want here, that country must be on the basis of continent in ascending order, but you can see here the in population we don't have any order. We are having the bigger value here, the smaller, then the bigger value here. So we also want to add some the order in it. So how can we do it? Now what I want to do here, that I want to have the countries ordered by the continent in ascending order, but population must be ordered as well. Okay, by ascending order first. Now you will see that we are having the values of the population by ascending order as well. Now you can see that. Okay, in the last the values of the Asia continent, we are having the highest value of the population. All right. Okay, if I just want to the population in descending order, so all you need to write here is descending, and now you would see that highest value is first, and the least value will be in the last. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, one last thing you have to remember here, that okay, when you want to order by multiple columns, you have to remember the thing that those columns must make sense. All right, so their values must not the conflict. Okay, this is all for this video. If you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.